Groundhogs consume grasses, clover, garden vegetables, leaves, twigs, beans, peas, herbs, strawberries, pansies, and impatiens. If you see damages to those types of plants, look for the telltale signs of groundhogs. Groundhogs, also called woodchucks, show up throughout eastern and central North America and can appear as far north and west as parts of Alaska and as far south as northern Alabama. If you see holes with mounds of dirt at the entrances, that's a sign. They have large tunnels with many chambers, which are detrimental to your lawn and garden. Look for leaves and stalks with sharp chew bites on them. Their distinctive footprints have 4 claws for the front paws and 5 claws for the back. Sometimes you'll see the back claws obscure the front. Groundhogs can decimate your garden. It's best to send them on their way. There are multiple strategies you can use to deter groundhogs. The first suggestion is to build a fence. It needs to be at least 3.5 feet high and a foot underground. Groundhogs are leery of strange objects and can be scared away by things that rattle and clang. Try hanging wind chimes for a decorative touch, or simply tie tin pie plates to trees. Groundhogs like to hide in tall grass, so it's best to clear out tall grass by mowing, cutting, and raking. You can apply substances with your plants that deter groundhogs with taste or smell. You can spread Epsom salts on your plants by mixing them with water and spraying. They will wash off in the rain, so will have to be reapplied. You can soak rags in ammonia and place them around your garden. Those will last longer but also need to be reapplied. For the easiest solution, use Bobex R, a very effective repellent available from your garden center or online. It won't wash off. Allow 6 hours of drying time before any predicted rain or scheduled watering of your plants. Spray the dry plant surface, including leaf and stem, sufficiently to coat both sides. Groundhogs don't like the taste of eco-friendly Bobex. What's more, Bobex is safe for people, pets, wildlife, and aquatic life. Keep your garden beautiful and safe from groundhogs with Bobex R. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.